Alright traders, good morning. So today is 25th of February 2020. We are now live at the Trading WTI Crude Oil Market, April 2020 contract. So this is the trading setup for my US session. So this is under epic trade signal. So a few moments ago I did send out one signal to go for a short sell position at 51.21 and exited around at 51.09. So hopefully things will go smoothly and we can do a recovery for today, because yesterday there's losses of 150. So you can feel free to watch my YouTube playlist. So there's a lot of video there, almost daily. And also for our trade today, just send out a short sell signal. So this is where we are going to short the market and expected to pull a retrieve somewhere here, this green line. So it's a quick 12 ticks, I guess. Hopefully can enter in and out very fast. So that's the main of the epic trade signal. So by the way guys, I will keep pause this video and resume back later on once the order got refilled, and also there's an interesting scenario happen down there. Alright traders, we did receive a second signal. So based on the second signal, we will go for a buy long at 51.53. So this is where I will go for a long position in case the price go on the higher side, and exit at 51.73. so should be around 22 ticks or something like that. My position is not yet filled, not sure why. Maybe because I late entry compared to this signal. So I did already send out my signal. By the way, there's a link below in the description for this Telegram channel. Okay, so this is the second signal. This is the first signal. Seems like someone informed me that I already hit the stop. And for the second signal, we will enter for the buy long at 51.53. So let's wait and see whether this will have opportunity for us to go on the bullish movement, or maybe try to maintain this short sell position. Not sure. So let's take a look then. Alright, everything seems normal. This one mini account for natural gas. But so we wait first. Alright guys, my first signal just been filled. So we are on the short sell position at this moment. We are minus 8 ticks. Quite a lot, minus 7 ticks. And let's wait and see whether this will go further down. And if go one blow short to the downside, then it will be a quick one. So hopefully this epic signal will help to make a fast move to the downside. So this is gonna take some time. Okay, we are targeting around 12 ticks for the scalping US session. So this is a day trading, day salary for us, work from home private traders, retail traders. Yeah, so we can just repeat this setup every day under epic signal. So let's wait and see, and I will pause this video and resume later on. Okay, so far looks good. We are plus 5 ticks, plus 3 ticks, plus 5 ticks, 50 US dollar, 30. So you can take a look over here. So it looks like it's going to go fast to the downside. Let's hope. Okay, by the way, this is time frame 1 minute. It looks nice actually, because you can see every candle from your entry, and looks like you have earned a lot psychologically. Okay, plus 2 ticks. Maybe any moment it will hit the TP area, hopefully, and not a full reversal. So I will change it into 5-minute chart. Okay, here we go. Okay, doesn't look good because it looks like the price breakthrough, but the pattern looks like it's going to make a full reversal. Just need to be careful. Stop loss have been placed somewhere at here. I will move it further down. So based from my first signal, okay, the SL is 5143. Let's go back and revise our position for SL. Orders looking. In case the price didn't go to the direction, it will hit the stop loss and we'll move away from this from this signal. So I will queue also the second signal at 5153. Oh, there's a high volume waiting here at 1547. 344 was very interesting. Okay guys, we have queue for the second signal. So I'm sending out two signal just now. So this is second one, buy long. So we just enter the 5153. Hopefully both will profit. Okay, let's wait and see. So at this moment we are minus 6 ticks. So we pause this video and resume later on once we there. Okay traders, we are back. So at this moment we are plus 3 ticks, plus 4 ticks, quite stable, and hopefully the price will not reverse back, hopefully. But it seems like we have a structure over here, which is like indication that the market will have a full reversal if didn't break through to the downside. So if breakthrough, then we are on the good position for the market to be executed. So there's a large, very extremely large volume waiting at, oh, the volume already gone. Okay, so looks good now, not far from our TP area. So plus 5 tick, plus 6 ticks. So any moment it will hit the TP area. Okay, there's a high volume waiting at 5110. Okay, now the price reverse back. It was very fast. Okay, oh, this one looks good. 5110 still remain the highest. Now market seems like quite volatile, which is good because we are on the same direction as the market volatility, but I'm quite afraid that the market will reverse to the upper side. Okay, a bit nervous. It's typical. Let's keep watching for the profit. At this moment plus 3 ticks. So new candle. Alright, if you heard the sound, means we just received a new signal to short sell the market to the bottom side to from 5112 downward, so we can have a good luxury time. I'm sure if the market pass through this level, then we'll hit my TP area, and so I should delete one or two signal. The second signal is no longer valid. So I will have to inform the traders. Okay, this one E-mini. Cancel second signal. Just let's wait until we reach the TP area, which is at 5112 here. So this one the total profit is minus 6 ticks. So far looks good. Okay, not this one. For US session, plus 6 ticks, plus 4 ticks, stable at the price level. So not far from our TP area. So still there is a high volume waiting at 5110, which is around 116, waiting to buy, and we hope everything's will be fine from our side, which is we are on the short sell position. For a moment, seems like I've been disconnected. Alright traders, we did hit the profit targeted area, so solid 12 ticks, 120 US dollar have been filled just now. So I think that's all for today. Thanks for watching. There's a link below in the description, feel free to click on it, like, share, comment, and thank you. Bye bye.